How to check sent request on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find all the messages that you have sent as a request. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Instagram app. Make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account, then tap onto your profile screen and tap on 3-bar icon on your top right. Here go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account Center. Here under Account Settings, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Under here you will see Download Your Information at the second option. Open it and tap on Download or Transfer Information. At this page, tap on Some of Your Information, which will include the information that you choose for your selected profiles. Here scroll below and tap on Followers and Following. Now if you would like to add any other information such as your feeds, memories, and search histories, then tap on that as well. Once done, tap on Next. Here tap on Messages and tap on Next. Tap on Download to Device, or you can also transfer it to your Google Drive. Now it says that it will download all the information that you have selected previously, and here the format will be HTML and the media quality will be medium. If you would like to take it in high, then tap on high, but this will take a little longer than the medium. Once done, tap on Create Files. Just like so, your information is being prepared for download and they will email you once it's completed. Just like so, this is how you can do it.